think I love it. Welcome back again, lovelies, and happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I did. I had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Church family came around and it was the best moment of my life. So drop in the comment section how you celebrated your Thanksgiving. We all have one reason or the other to be thankful to our Father in heaven. I'm so thankful to God for you for being a loyal and supportive member of this channel. The Lord has been so faithful to you, and that is why every time I post a video, you're always there watching my video, commenting on my video, and also suggesting ways for improvement. I just broke bread with the disciples, right? But we shared the little God has blessed us with. We shared it among ourselves, and it was just the best moment ever. So in today's video, we're gonna be making something amazing. Look at my hair, lovelies. My hair is growing. Look at that. Oh, look at that bounce. Crocheting my hair is one of the easiest hairstyles on my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be using hair from MyBraidedWig. It's crochet, very simple hairstyle. I think most people who come to my channel to watch my video come here because of the simplicity of hairstyles that I put out there. So today's video is about one of the simplest hairstyles I love doing, that is crochet. So I'm gonna be using this hair. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what the hair looks like. So that's 2 packs. That's 2 invisible HD hair caps. This right here is the bonnet. Oh, the cute hair bonnet. I love the color. First thing first is to get the foundation ready. So the strands. I'm gonna be using 4 or 3. Sometimes it might not go through the crochet pins. I'm going to use maybe 3 or 4. Let's try 4 and see. Perfect. Some trimming to make it equal. I think I love it this way. Find my gel. lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's video. I've dropped the link to this hair on the video description, so go ahead and grab that link and navigate mybraidedwig.com. And a big shout out to My Braided Wig for sponsoring this video. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.